Ignition.
Rofi's now ignited.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and stand by. There's been a hold called.
Activated.
Clock
Roger,
has stopped
all
at T-minus 7 seconds.
Got operation 110. LC switch not ready. Engine cooling water is on. Mako is confirmed.
Launch conductor now confirming that all engine valves are closed, and the team is going to move through the process of safing the vehicle.
Flight control looking for your call at step 70.
Flight control's ready to set the clock to T-minus 4 and holding.
Roger. ALC reset countdown clock to T-minus 4 minutes and holding.
Roger.
The team will
Team
now
ahead
recycle
and,
the vehicle back to a T-minus and 4 minutes and holding configuration, as the issue that's caused the hold is identified.
Pre-flight mode.
Roger. Prop 1 verify safe order 68 shutdown and following purge configuration.
Roger that, active. Will report when complete.
Roger. DST1, best source 4 to switch best source 1 and best source 2 force to channel 1 umbilical.
Roger.